across the 90-degree angle that is the hypotenuse, which is f in this case. So using the formula, sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. We can say that sine theta is going to be Fy over f. Now, if you were to rearrange this equation, if you were to multiply both sides by f, you'll get that the y component of the force vector is the magnitude of f times sine of the angle theta with respect to the x-axis. So that's the first equation that you need to be aware of. Now let's consider the second equation in the COP part of SOHCAHTOA. So C stands for cosine. Cosine of the angle is going to equal the adjacent side, which is fx, over the hypotenuse, which we know it to be f. Now, if we were to do the same thing, if we were to multiply both sides by f, we'll get that the x component of the force vector is the magnitude of f times cosine of the angle. Now for the last one, TOA, tangent theta is equal to O, or opposite, which is Fy, over the adjacent part, which is Fx. So I like to use this formula to calculate the angle, because in some problems, you need to determine the magnitude and the angle. To determine the angle, you need to take the arctangent, or the inverse tangent. If we were to take the arctan of both sides of the equation, the arctan and the tan will cancel on the left. So we'll get that the angle is equal